Thank you.
Çok teşekkürler Sayın Cumhurbaşkanı. Sayın Cumhurbaşkanı Erdoğan ve
Türkiye that have been put into this endeavor that we have concluded tonight at this hour. In one aspect, it's a conclusion because it stops and the differences that we had in the recent times. Ethiopia and Somalia are two neighborly countries, and they have mutual interests in cooperating together and building a prosperous future of both our two countries and our two people. We are very much grateful for efforts of Turkey. Somalia, as has been, will remain a true friend of Ethiopia for the future and the years to come in order to that relationship to benefit our people. We belong to a region where peace and stability is the first priority for our people's lives. And we have common and mutual opportunities to develop together in our own interests. Somalia will contribute towards that, and we are ready to work with the Ethiopian leadership and the Ethiopian people to benefit the opportunities that we had in all aspects. As we said here, we have recognized that the sacrifices that Ethiopian forces made in Somalia within the African Union peacekeeping missions many years in the past, that shows how much our people are interlinked, and we will keep continuing on that. Besides that, Ethiopia and Somalia has so many commonalities than differences. Our differences are very limited. Our commonalities are very high. We will try and we will do everything that moves forward and benefits our both people in a peaceful manner. Our region needs our cooperation. The Horn of Africa is a very fragile, very volatile region which needs both Ethiopia and Somalia to work together in order to provide a mutual benefit for both our countries, our people, and the people of the region as well. We have a lot of opportunities for prosperity, and we will do together to make sure that our people live and benefit those opportunities. I thank you very much, Your Excellency.